Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a YouTube account. And for those of you who are still new, you have been using YouTube but you are wondering, you also want to create yours so that you can upload content, so that you can have fun, so that you can explore your skills and show your interests and share your experience and knowledge with others. So without wasting time, I would like to take you there on how you can create a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to have an email address so that you can create a YouTube channel. So in my case, I'm already logged in, but in case you are still new, you'll see that there is no an account attached to it. So what you can do is just go and hover here to place which is written here Kindle. You can see in my case here, there's a place written here Kindle. Could go over here and click in that space, and then you go over and say perhaps you want to log in, or you want to, if in cases you are not signing, you could go ahead there in this place say sign out, and then you sign in. Once you sign in, you'll find yourself in a space like this. You'll find yourself in home screen, something like this. So for you to begin now in creating your channel, since now I've already logged in my email, you could see my email here above here. Let's assume that I want to create my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here, the place which is written here. You could see it's written, this place here is written. So you could see in this space, if I could zoom in, you will see it is written something like create a channel. You could see it's written here, create a channel. So what I'm gonna do, in this case, I'm going to go over here and go and click create channel. So when I'm in this home space, I'm going to choose James Kindle, and then, or you can put whatever name that you want to put. Once you are done, you're gonna click create channel. So you'll wait for it to load. It's just as simple as that. Basically, creating YouTube channel is not a big deal, provided you have a email account and everything will go well. For your case, in case you don't have an email account, I have a link below. You can click it there and you learn more on how to create your Gmail account. Basically, that's how to create a YouTube account.